Welcome to Spect Network, a dApp for the gig economy built on Polygon. Let's first start off by creating a profile. We can set a username and an email so we can get notifications at a later date. Next, let's fill out the rest of our profile. Let's add a display name, our title, skills, a little bit about ourselves, as well as our social links to our GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Behance, and anything else we might want to add. Let's add a profile picture. And we can also add projects that we've previously worked on to showcase our work. In order to be able to create jobs, we'll have to first mint a Spect token. This will serve as our payout to the freelancer. Once we mint, we add to our stake. Let's create a gig. Give your gig a name. Put down what required skills the gig will need. Describe the work to be done. Set a reward, a locked stake, and a submission deadline, as well as the time to accept a submission. Here we can confirm everything that we just entered. Now that we've created a gig, let's apply for the gig from a freelance profile that we've already created. This profile's name is Freelance Manny. Make sure to mint tokens, add them to our stake, Now let's go over to the Explore Gigs page. We can sort by required skill, locked stake, deadline, gig reward, submission deadline, or collateral required. Let's select Test Gig, upload a photo, and submit a proposal. We'll give the proposal a title, and then write a small description about ourselves or the work that we intend to do. After, we'll set a locked stake, and at the bottom, we can see the submission deadline. Now we can see that a proposal's been submitted. You can always check the Proposals Submitted tab to see a list of any proposals that we have sent. When any progress is made, we'll receive a notification email as well as be able to see the flashing notification bell icon on the Spect Network tab. Here we can see that we've received a proposal for one of our gigs. Here we can review the proposal. We can also review the profile page of whoever submitted the proposal. If everything looks okay, let's select the proposal. Since more progress has been made, our notification bell icon is flashing. Now we can see that the gig maker has accepted our proposal. Let's confirm and start the work. We can also verify every transaction on the blockchain. Let's do that now. Let's continue on with our submission. Make sure to include any relevant links, as well as upload any relevant files. In this case, we're going to upload a photo. And then let's submit the work. Now, let's review the submission. Again, we can see the notification bell, as well as the submission write-up. In case there was an issue, we can always call a dispute. For now, disputes will be handled by the Spect team, but eventually we plan on turning that over to the community. We don't have any issues in this case, so we're going to move on forward and say that the work is acceptable. Finally, we can check the staking page on our profile to see that we paid out the freelancer. On the freelancer side, we can see that our gig status is completed, and we can also verify that we were paid out.